from Dallas-Fort Worth. This is a Texas Severe Weather Alert.
Hello and good evening, everyone. My name is Christian James. Welcome back to another Texas Severe Weather Update. Currently, we're dealing with severe weather across many portions of North Texas right now, where there is a severe thunderstorm watch, which does include the Dallas-Fort Worth area until 1 a.m. The Storm Prediction Center is saying we can have large hail, gusty winds, and even a couple of isolated tornadoes here with a threat for severe weather across North Texas. Currently taking a look at the Dallas-Fort Worth area, we are high and dry across Fort Worth right now. A few showers and sprinkles moving through Dallas County. This will continue to push off to the east as we head towards the rest of the evening hours. But take a look, we're seeing some heavier activity right now near Wolf City and Greenville. If you go ahead and just take a look at what we're dealing with, where our severe weather is, we have a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Wichita County right now. That goes until 6:30. We're noticing very heavy rainfall. The black color that you see in the color table there indicates that we could be seeing up to golf ball sized hail within those areas there. Now, these are the only severe thunderstorm warnings we have in North Texas right now. We are not seeing any other severe weather threat across portions of Dallas-Fort Worth at the moment. Now, hail cores are indicating we are noticing 2-inch hail falling right now in Wichita Falls. This is headed directly over the area, so we will continue to monitor this area very closely for heavy rain and gusty winds. Again, here's a look at where our severe thunderstorm watch lies currently. It goes until 1 a.m. and it does include the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Now, if we go ahead and just take a look at what we're dealing with right now outside, it's currently 75 degrees in Dallas, 74 in Arlington, and it's currently 72 in Denton. We're sitting in the low to mid 70s across portions of North Texas right now, upper 60s the further north you go, but overall we are sitting very comfortably in the 70s. Now, when we go ahead and just take a look at our humidity levels, just to show you where we have the most unstable air in the atmosphere right now, of course, you can see the highest humidity levels is for Dallas-Fort Worth off to the north, like Sherman at 98%, DFW at 93%. That lets us know that we do have somewhat of an unstable atmosphere here across portions of North Texas. Now, taking a look at the severe weather level right now, we are under a slight risk for areas of I-20 up to the north. That means it's likely we can have some strong to severe storms. For areas south of I-20, it's possible, it's a low chance, but it's possible we could have maybe 1 or 2 severe storms as this complex of storms make its way across northeast Texas. Now, the main threats tonight will be gusty winds up to 60 plus miles per hour. We could have hail up to the size of quarters to golf balls, so a large hail is a possibility, and we could have some isolated tornadoes. The tornado threat is low, but it's not zero. The higher north you go, the higher chance you have of seeing an isolated brief spin up. The flooding threat is low as well due to the fact that this will be a fast-moving complex of thunderstorms over the next several hours. Now, just taking a look at the timeline for when this complex will get through our area, from around 9 to 9 p.m., it'll stay north of Dallas and Fort Worth. The complex will then make its way into Dallas and Fort Worth roughly from around 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. It'll continue to push off to the east after 11, and we will be high and dry once the complex of storms moves through. Now, Futurecast is underdoing it just a little bit from the last time I recorded this, but the complex from Wichita Falls right now will continue to push off to the southeast, bringing up some new thunderstorm development within the Dallas-Fort Worth area. By around 10:30 tonight, it will continue to push off to the east, impacting Dallas and Fort Worth. And once it moves through, we are done with any type of rain chances for the next several days. Futurecast is continuing to show this. We will be sitting with comfortable conditions and comfortable temperatures once the complex of storms move through. So taking a look at your hour-by-hour forecast again, tonight it'll be 75 degrees with around a 40% chance of rain. The rain won't start till after 10 p.m. for Dallas-Fort Worth. Going to work tomorrow, you may need just a slight jacket. There's about a 20% chance of rain in our southern counties due to the fact that this thunderstorm complex will move off to the south. We're around 53 degrees by wake up. It'll be 64 by lunchtime tomorrow, and beautiful conditions as you are headed home with clear skies with a northerly wind, letting you know that we will no longer be under any threat for rain or severe weather. Now, taking a look at your 7-day forecast, you can see we will be in the upper 60s. Some of us in the low 70s throughout the next several days. Will be a beautiful weekend with temperatures in the 70s. Monday, we're at 68 with about a 10% chance of rain on Wednesday and a high of 75 and a low of 52 degrees. Stay right here with Texas Severe Weather. We'll be here all night keeping you up to date right here, right now on social media. My name is Christian James. Thank you for watching Texas Severe Weather.